If your bath fan light is not working, here are the 3 most probable causes. The simplest and most likely reason for the light not working is a burned-out light bulb. Replace the bulb with a new one to see if that solves the problem. If the light still doesn't work, it's possible the light socket is faulty. If the light cord plugs into a dedicated electrical outlet in the bath fan, you can use a multimeter to test the outlet to determine if it's receiving power. If the outlet is receiving power, but the new light bulb won't work, then it's likely the socket will need to be replaced. A defective light switch could also be the reason the light isn't working. Depending on the bath fan model, there may be 3 different circuits controlling the fan, light, and heater separately. Determine which switch is controlling the light and use a multimeter to test the switch for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the switch tests negative for continuity in the on position, then you'll need to replace the switch with a new one. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your bath fan.